Best countries to live in 2023, according to a new data. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for our upcoming videos. World's best countries to live in 2023, according to a new data. U.S. News & World Report surveyed 17,000 people throughout the globe to determine which countries are the best in the world to live in. It evaluated 85 countries based on 76 variables. Numerous elements were considered when evaluating the quality of life, including education, healthcare, and safety. So read on if you want to learn more about the best nations to work, live and play. 13. Spain. In 2023, Spain ranked second in the world and first in Europe for expats. Spain has consistently ranked in the top 10 countries for quality of life since the first InterNations study in 2014. In terms of leisure opportunities, the country has consistently ranked among the best in the world, even taking first place this year. Compared to 68% worldwide, the majority of expats, 88%, say they are satisfied with the culture and nightlife in Spain. 12. Ireland. Ireland stands as a remarkable example of economic progress within a nation. It has not only experienced substantial growth compared to many European countries, but it has also successfully enticed numerous tech giants to establish their European headquarters in Dublin. The city's appeal to expats is due to a combination of factors such as low taxes, favorable compliance regulations, and an exceptional quality of life. With these advantages, Dublin has emerged as one of the most desirable cities for individuals looking to relocate internationally. 11. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom continues to hold its position as one of the most enticing destinations for expats. With its highly favorable business environment, strategic location, and well-established and diverse economy, the country offers numerous opportunities. Moreover, boasting some of the world's top-ranked and esteemed universities further adds to its allure, making it a magnet for expats seeking global prospects and access to an exceptional education. 10. New Zealand. The world recognizes New Zealand for its exceptional standard of living and relaxed way of life. While New Zealanders are recognized for their strong work ethic, they also prioritize maintaining a healthy balance between work and personal life. Even in major cities, individuals are never too far away from a beach, bike route, or national park. Public health care in New Zealand is either free or low cost for citizens, residents, or individuals holding a work visa that is valid for at least 2 years. Moreover, individuals with temporary visas may be eligible for a range of services under specific circumstances. 9. Australia. Australia boasts a thriving economy based on market principles and is considered a prosperous nation. Its citizens have a strong affinity for sports, and both men and women enjoy a long life expectancy. Australian cities typically receive high scores in livability rankings. In late 2017, the legalization of same-sex marriage was approved by an overwhelming majority of voters. Additionally, Australia is renowned globally for its exceptional standard of education. 8. Netherlands. The study from 2022 places the Netherlands 8th overall. The nation shines in the rankings for its strong public health and education systems and political stability. The Netherlands is renowned for its tolerant culture and for being a pioneer in the legalization of same-sex marriage. Additionally, the nation offers more than 32,000 kilometers of bike lanes that encourage an active lifestyle, as well as the biggest concentration of museums in the world. 7. Germany. Ranked 7th overall, Germany is unquestionably one of the world's leading economic powers. The nation prides itself on its solid economic, healthcare, and educational systems. A skilled and diversified workforce and booming industries such as telecommunications, healthcare, and tourism are further advantages. 6. Finland. Finland's safety, public education system, and family friendliness highlight the country in rankings. The country is a world leader in education. Finland also scores well on civil rights, lifestyle, and press freedom. Finland was also one of the first countries in the world to grant women the right to vote. 5. Norway. In the survey, Norway ranks 5th overall. In the rankings, Norway stands out for its security, predictable politics, and advanced public education system. The country is prosperous, one of the world's largest oil exporters, offers free higher education, and has a rich literary history. 4. Switzerland. The nation's workforce is well educated and has a low unemployment rate. Low corporate tax rates, a highly developed service sector with world-class financial sectors, and a robust high-tech manufacturing industry are key drivers of the economy. So life in Switzerland is very tempting for people who are thinking about moving to Europe. 3. Canada. Canada is a high-tech industrial society. Canada exports a large amount of energy, food, and minerals, and is also the world's largest exporter of services. The third largest oil producer in the world comes from Canada. It also has the third largest proven oil reserves. Thanks to the robust Canadian economy, Canadians have a very high standard of living. 2. Denmark. The Danish government has a reputation for being a fairly stable and open institution. Denmark is a constitutional monarchy and its highest legislative body, the Folketing, is elected by the people. Denmark's socio-economic structure has commendable social mobility, and the government is progressive. 1. Sweden. Sweden tops the best quality of life rankings. The nation stands out compared to other nations when it comes to health care, public education, political stability, safety, and economic security. Sweden also champions human rights, wealth distribution, environmental protection, and higher education. It is a stunning country with beautiful cities, spectacular landscapes, and a highly educated population. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.